Bold colors and strong contrast can instantly turn a simple design into something impossible to ignore. Open Canva and create a new product poster using your preferred dimensions. Begin by selecting a bright background that complements your product rather than overpowering it. Go to the Elements panel and add colorful geometric shapes like circles, rectangles, and abstract graphics to build an energetic layout. Resize and arrange the shapes so they naturally guide the viewer's attention toward the product. Upload your product image and place it in the center or slightly off-center for a modern composition. Add a bold headline, a short product description,